Today we'll work on goal number 3. Mathematics accepted by committee academic. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Geronimo will identify 0.2 basic shapes with 70% accuracy. Geronimo will work on these shapes, identifying them, describing them, and being able to find difference between them. Once again, we will work on this assignment. Flat shapes. Among those shapes, which one is a square? Geronimo will circle the square. Among those shapes, which one is a triangle? Next one. Among those shapes, which one is a circle? Among those shapes, which one is a star? On this activity, he will identify these 2D shapes. By pointing, Geronimo should be able to distinguish and identify circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, ovals, and diamonds. Once Geronimo is done identifying the objects, you will go over to the tracker. In the tracker, to the top left side where it says identify point, we ask for you to mark down whether he was able to identify the circle, the square, the triangle, the diamond, and the rectangle, either in trial or test. I will grade it and score it. Moving on to where it says prompts. You will mark off what kind of prompts Geronimo was given. Whether he had help verbally, visually, gestural, model, hand over hand, if he refused at any times, or if it was upon imitation. Please mark those down, take a picture, and send it to me, and I will upload it to his teams. Remember, it will be via WhatsApp. If you have any further information, feel free to send me a message or give me a call and I will explain furtherly.